All right, Luca, what'd you think?
It was all right.
All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're actually gonna do one of the little known Porsche 991 facts. This one might actually not be little known, but there is a launch control mode built into the car. So today we're gonna test and verify that launch control really works as advertised. What do you think about that?
It seems like, I don't know.
It'll be cool. All right, so the way that you activate launch control in a Porsche 991 is you put it in Sport Plus mode, you put your left foot on the brake as hard as you can, and you put your right foot on the accelerator all the way to the floor past the kick down spot of the accelerator, that little like extra part. And then you just release the brake and you're off. Launch control mode will take care of the rest. So if you're, I do not advise doing this. It is, you know, doing this on a public road is something you should be very, very careful about. You should make sure the road ahead of you is clear, that there is no cross traffic. It even says that in the Porsche owner's manual. It says, make sure you can see and have good visibility and there are no cars that could pull out in front of you. So if it's in the Porsche manual like that, you definitely should follow it. The other thing about launch control mode, you also need to make sure the engine is warmed up to temperature. The oil temperature and the coolant temperature are both like within the normal operating range. So you need to, ready? There we go. Left foot on brake. Whoa!
It was a lot. It was a lot, but it didn't go on for that long. It was like it just went there for like, it was like really crazy for like one little second, and it was just like off.
Wow, that was pretty crazy. Should we try it again? Ready?
Oh wait, there's a Prius.
That basically melted my face off.
It was good. It was good. It was good. It's just.
All right, well there you have it. We verified launch control definitely does work.
Well, yeah, it works.
All right, Luca, what'd you think?
It was all right.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notified when we post a new video.